The interim Saskatchewan Human Rights Commissioner is urging the government to reconsider its Parents' Bill of Rights. It would require teachers to get a parent's permission before a student under 16 can use a different gender-related name or pronoun. It also invokes the notwithstanding clause to bypass the courts.
Usually when there are differences of opinion, there is usually a middle ground, and that middle ground then usually satisfies both of the groups, at least to the extent that they are comfortable with it.
Barry Wilcox says the Commission has a team of professionals to help navigate complex issues of human rights.
We remain, as I say, ready, willing, and able to assist in any way that we can. And we're always here to protect the human rights of all Saskatchewanians.
Some of the top legal minds at the U of S Faculty of Law also want the government to press pause. 14 professors and instructors signed a letter addressed to Premier Moe and Education Minister Jeremy Cockrell. They're concerned about the government's preemptive use of the notwithstanding clause in Bill 137. They say this use of the notwithstanding clause is well outside of the normal legal process and should be only used in the most unusual and urgent of circumstances. The law professors note that the Court of King's Bench judge who issued an injunction on the policy said it could cause irreparable harm. The writers say the government is knowingly overriding the constitutional rights of its citizens and acting in haste. They urge the government to allow the normal legal process to take its course. The Justice Minister defends the government's use of the notwithstanding clause.
That is a legislative tool. That means that a government which brings forward policy and uses the notwithstanding clause, that that government will also be judged on that policy, and we're willing to be judged on that policy. It is a legislative tool.
The legal challenge will still play out in a Saskatchewan court, but with the notwithstanding clause in effect, its outcome will have no effect on the law. Jason Warwick, CBC News, Saskatoon.